In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a cash flow report in Xero. Let's dive right in. To begin with, when you're logged into your Xero account, take a moment to focus on the top navigation bar. You'll see a tab labeled Reporting. Go ahead and click on that. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, which is your gateway to all sorts of financial insights. Once you have that menu opened, the next step is to look for the option that says All Reports. By selecting this, you'll be able to access the full range of reports available within Xero. This is where you can find everything from profit and loss statements to balance sheets, and of course, the focus of today's session, the cash flow report. Now, locate the cash flow report in the list. This can usually be found fairly easily, but take your time to ensure you're clicking on the correct one. Once you have a clear sight of it, go ahead and click on it. What's happening now is that Xero will generate a detailed cash flow report based on the financial data you've already recorded in your system. It's crucial that your data is accurate and up to date to ensure the report is as informative as possible. After a short loading period, the cash flow report will appear on your screen. This report is a powerful tool to help you understand the movement of money in and out of your business over a particular period. It will provide insights into your operating activities, investment activities, and financing activities, giving you a complete picture of your liquidity and financial health. One of the great features within Xero is the ability to customize your reports to better suit your needs. So, if you'd like to make the cash flow report more tailored to specific insights or particular timeframes, you have that option available. Simply explore the customization settings to adjust variables like date range or add specific categories that align with your business reporting requirements. And there you have it. That's all it takes to view and customize a cash flow report in Xero. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Being able to efficiently generate and analyze your cash flow report is an invaluable skill in managing your business finances, allowing you to make informed decisions with confidence. Whether you're checking in on your current cash situation or planning for future financial strategies, mastering this process is sure to keep your business on a sound financial footing. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy accounting.